Hi, how are everybody? We are today going to work with some reading activities for adults too. We're working with a text called Holy Week, A Time for Renewal. We worked with the vocabulary that is used in this text, okay? We talk about the use of things that are important to us. First, there is the mentioning of a workout, the physical aspect, social and phone calls, that is the social aspect that we have also as human beings, and another short cat nap, referring to a typical activity sometimes that we do when we are too tired or just a little bit tired. We rest and take a 5 to 10 minute nap, and that's an energy nap. So in this case it says we can renew ourselves, okay, our energy and our perspectives. 3 aspects, okay. We set apart, that was another word that we worked with. To set apart is to separate, okay. Time in church's liturgical year for our spiritual renewal. Renewal, again, the idea of make something new again because of the use of re. The word holy is in italics. Why? The word holy refers to anything that is set apart for God's purposes. In this text, the author italicized holy in order to introduce a definition, okay? And then Holy Week is holy, again, the word holy, precisely because it's a time to set apart for us to focus on how we are spiritually renewed. This is used as a verb in this case through the suffering, death, and resurrection of Jesus, okay? So these are the way in which the text goes, okay? Then we also worked here with the use of over, okay? How the word over is used. For example, overcome, okay, as part of the verb to overcome, to resolve something, to resolve a problem, okay, in this case, death, okay, in the case of Jesus. And also the use of the word over, or the prefix over, for overburdened, okay, as part of the verb, where we see that it's too busy, okay, so our mental space is too busy, and here is reinforced by the use of cluttered, okay. All right. Another thing that we also wanted to point out for this text is how there are 2 different opposing worlds, let's say, when we talk about religion. And this is the idea of good and evil, or good and bad, okay? Represented, for example, good, we have the word holy, and all the different words that are related to this idea of goodness or holiness, okay? Here we have veneration, we have triumph, Jesus triumph, okay? And this idea of evil or bad, darkness, the idea of sin, that is an action that is morally, or is considered morally incorrect by a religion, okay? And this is the religion as religious aspect, okay? And you also have resurrection as opposed to death, okay? So these are the types of words that I want you to find and see what are the different words that are used in this text to give us these contrasted ideas, okay? And to finish this lesson, we have to think about the implication. What is the implication of a cluttered and overburdened mental space? Why is our mental space cluttered? You know, it is a metaphor. What is this metaphor trying to tell us? Okay. All right. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope we can work together in another class. Thank you. Bye.